All right. Hey, Olenka, this is Van. This is the track. So first thing to do is to level the track. Make sure the students do the leveling.
Let me hold it.
And so the track should have a friction. So some groups, they forget about friction or they don't put enough friction. You can test by just doing a tap like this. So you should be able to, once you tap, you should stop, like now. That looks good. Now, right. And so you have a string that goes over the pulley and has a paper clip, and I leave this part open so you can put the weights in there. And I tell students, and in fact, work nice with, nice in terms, with the static friction, I tell them not to hold this up and put the weight. I told them to keep that thing down, and when they need to put weights, they just carefully hold and just let it stay there. So it's going down, and then you have the whole experiment going. Let me change the friction pad. The friction pad is funny. There you go. So so basically, the part of the lab we did today was just static friction. And let me show you a setting you must do on the computer. Right here. Yeah, right there. So you have to go to, and this is in the handout. I don't remember which item it is. I think 17. You go to experiment, connect the interface. No. Set up sensors. So experiment, set up sensors, and you go to LabQuest 2. And then you go, you have to tell students to be careful. I have that connected to DG1. So right there. So you click on it, and then you go to set distance or length right here. And then you go open this menu and select Ultra Pulley 10 spoke in Grove. Select that one. And then you have this number 0.015, which is the radius. Click OK. And then you're good to go. Just to make a test, and that's what I do before I have everybody starting. I ask them to collect data. Click collect. And then I just rotate the pulley like that. And then I stop. And then it shouldn't go more than 2 meters. See that? If it's not set properly, if they forget for some reason, the graphic distance is going to go several meters away in 5 seconds because it's not set properly.
Oh, him. They have class at 12:30.
So now quickly, because we have to get out of here. So what you do, take for instance 100 grams.
We're not starting until 12:30.
Yeah.
Okay. So with 150 grams, in fact 151 grams, the car should have an acceleration. So that's what you need. You need acceleration, that's all. And what you tell the students to do is that they calculate I'm gonna take a measurement here. So you click on collect. I'll get closer. Oh, I don't know if Sarah saw it. So you click collect, and then you let that thing go. Stop, and then in velocity you do an auto scale. I really don't know if you can see that. And then you can get your acceleration from here.
Okay. I can use this here.
Yeah, go ahead. Your stuff is on the other side, at the sink.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then you have an acceleration you can read in the slope of velocity versus time. And that acceleration is the one used to give the friction, basically. But I will send more information because I have to leave the class, and I have to be in class in 5 minutes. But I will send more information to you. But I hope this helped a little bit. I will leave everything set for you. The only thing you do, you connect the USB port to the computer. Logger Pro should be able to find out everything. Okay, and I will leave this on the far table so you can't miss that one. All right. Okie dokie.
You're gonna send
Thank
that
you.
to her?
Send it to her.
To me too?
Yeah, I will do that. I don't know if you got okay. Full screen.